big news coming in on the domestic front is the GST Council has finally concluded its 50th meeting with the goods and services tax rate trimmed to 5% in 4 items. The Council also exempted GST on several imported pharma products. However, one of the biggest highlights was the 28% tax rate imposed on the full value of online gaming, which is likely a setback for Indian players. My colleague Prakash joins in with the key takeaways. Over to you, Prakash.
The GST Council meeting has been concluded and some important decision has been taken by the Council, and the first one is with regard to GST rates on online gaming, casino and horse racing. Council has decided to levy 28% uniform GST on online gaming, casino and horse racing, and that will be charged on face value, and there will be no differentiation between a game of chance and game of skill. There will be uniform GST irrespective of its degree, and that will be 28%. Apart from that, GST Council has also decided to come out with a comprehensive definition to charge 22% cess up and above 28% GST when it comes to sports utility vehicle or multi-utility vehicle. 3 categories have been decided by the GST Council. Based on that, 22% cess will be levied on this category of sports utility vehicle or multi-utility vehicle. Apart from that, Council has also decided to provide exemption, 12% exemption in IGST when it comes to some certain category of a cancer drug. Apart from that, the Council has also decided to come with a clarification when it comes to GST rates on food and beverages being sold in cinema halls. Council has decided to charge only 5% GST on food and beverages that is being sold in cinema halls rather than 18%.
मन में गर्व महसूस कर रही हूं कि काउंसिल में आज बहुत ही इमोशनल तरीके से इसको कितनी दूर तक हम लेके जाना और कितनी दूर तक हम इसको समझना, इसके ऊपर हर स्टेट का भागीदारी रही, और जो 2-3 साल से पेंडिंग है निर्णय, आज वो निर्णय हम ले पाए, इसीलिए कि हर स्टेट उसके ऊपर उनके अपने भागीदारी स्पष्ट रखे. There will be some amendment to the GST law to include online gaming also in it. Online gaming, horse racing and casinos will be taxed. They will be taxed at 28% each one, and they will be taxed on full face value.
This is a $2.5 billion industry that is expected to estimated to double by 2025, and there is this entire ecosystem of game developers at the back end, and the entire economics, apart from the economics, also the human capital element of the jobs that have been created over the last 12 years, and all of that would be put into jeopardy, I believe, if this is implemented, because it is just not sustainable. You look at the entire ecosystem is going to get is going to be upheaval, because you look at these bright young minds, engineers and innovators who are innovating in gaming formats as we speak, and that is why there is this large number of gaming companies that exist here, 950. These are Indian bred companies with a major proportion being attributed to the startup and MSMEs, and then all of these are also funded by investor groups, so that also would be and when the business model itself, which is the revenue attributed to the platform for facilitating the service, is going to come under threat, then this entire ecosystem would get imbalanced.
All right, so